tobacco smoke in my lungs. Lost in meditation, pondering thoughts of what's to come. War on my heart, that's the internal struggle. Teardrops upon my cheek, my heart drowning in the puddle. See these hard times and hard rhymes, they are just a sign. Mental slavery, get these shackles off my mind. Searching for inner peace because the beast within came here to feast on the sins of many a man. And I'm just a wanderer roaming from town to town. I got this blade in my hand just in case it goes down. We all have a past, and I tend not to dwell, but trouble always seems to find me. I swear it never fails. See, I was in this tea shop, I'm chilling, minding my beat out when this pretty little thing came in and caught my sweet eye. She stood there as if she knew that I was watching, plotting my approach, but she already got me. I'm making conversation, captivated by her smile, lost in her eyes. I swear baby girl could have my child. Until some youngins came in getting loud, popping off at the mouth, they trying to say what I'm about. Look, I'm all for peace, I've seen my fair share of war, but if it comes to drawing swords, everybody hitting the floor. Told him leave us alone because we all trying to chill. He told me speak for myself because he came here to kill. Then they say sugar thirst that he is trying to quench got me